Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 8 hatchback, 1.5 litre TSI Life Evo 150 PS. The car is in great shape and comes with a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, a camera and or distance sensor, a dynamic roadside display, an eCall emergency call service, and a 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has heated front seats, a digital cockpit pro, and a 10.25-inch high-resolution TFT dash display screen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.